Hey everybody. So this is my week to do a technique demonstration, and I'm a little nervous about it, but excited. I'm going to teach you all two techniques. The one that I'm focusing on is progressive muscle relaxation, and then the other one is something that I use as a kind of really simple, easy way to get someone ready for muscle relaxation who might not be super regulated. So this technique is excellent for people who maybe don't want to sit and do mindfulness, maybe guided imagery isn't really working. It's very concrete, it's very tangible, it gives you something to do with your hands and with your muscles. So anyone who's kind of fidgety or moves fast or has trouble with abstraction or imagery is going to benefit from this technique. And what really is going on here is you're just giving the person instructions on relaxation of every major muscle group. So we've been doing a lot of reading, learning about how trauma can get your body into a kind of state of hypervigilance or constant worrisome attention. And your body is in that state is tense and stressed out. And so this technique is kind of going sort of from the body within. You're going to relax the body, and that will help the mind relax. Um, so that this is sort of a way of cooling and calming the autonomic, the nervous system, the autonomic nervous system for people. And it is a technique that I've used before with students and classes and have found it to be very effective, which is why I wanted to focus on it for this. So I'll do it in two parts. The first part is going to be a little cool down breathing, and then we'll start the main part, which is the actual technique. So the cool down breathing is really simple. You're going to do 3 deep breaths, but you're going to hold those breaths for a count of 4. So you would say to your client, all right, let's take a deep breath in. And as soon as you breathe in all your air, I want you to hold it. And then I'm going to count to 4 and then let out everything that you've got. We'll do that 3 times. So let's do that. Ready? Let's start by breathing in. Ready, set, go. Now hold it and count to 4 and let it out. Let's do one more. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And breathe out all your air. One more deep breath in. And hold it. And let everything out. Good. At this point, you're going to invite the person to just get really comfortable and relaxed in their chair or laying down. And what you're going to do now is we're going to take some deep breaths, and as we breathe in, we're going to clench one of our body parts. We're going to start with our hands, and we breathe in and we clench our hands as tight as we can. And then when we breathe out, we release all the muscles and relax. So let's start by breathing in and clenching. Really tight. Breathe out and relax. And now we'll do our forearms and our wrists. So get that muscle ready. Breathe in and really get tight as you breathe in your air and relax. Perfect. Now we'll do our biceps and our upper arms. So let's breathe in and really, really hold it all in. Get really tight and relax. Perfect. Now we'll do our shoulders in an area where there is a lot of tension. So we can kind of raise them up and shrug our shoulders as we breathe in. And breathe out. Really letting yourself relax. Now we'll do our forehead. So let's breathe in. And relax. Now we'll do it all around the eyes and the bridge of the nose. So when we breathe in, we're going to squinch this all up. Ready? Let's breathe in. Relax. Ah. Whew. It feels really good. I hope you're doing this at home because it feels good for me. Now we'll do our cheeks and our jaws. Let's breathe in. Even tighter. Release. Ah. And now all around the mouth. Really get tight. Breathe in. Breathe out and relax. Okay, now we're going to go to the back and the front, our whole neck. So you're going to breathe in and really tighten that neck. Ready? Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, the next one is your back. So you're going to kind of arch your back up and away and really tighten. The back has so much tension. So when we do this, breathe in and really get everything nice and tight. Ready? So here we go. Breathe in and tighten. And release. Good work. Now we'll do our stomach. You're going to suck your stomach into a knot and then breathe it out. Release the tension. So let's breathe in. And breathe out. Now your hips and your butt. Really pressing those buttocks together tightly as you breathe in. And release as you breathe out. And then your thighs are next. So breathing in and really clenching your thighs. As you breathe out, totally relax your thighs. And now our last part of our body is the lower legs, all the way down to your feet. So get ready. Take a deep breath in. Clench them up. And relax. And that's it. This is a really great thing you can do after a session, before. If you're a teacher, this is excellent strategy for the classroom. I hope that's been helpful. A little weird to do this in front of everybody, but what else is new? All right. Have a lovely evening, everybody. Happy Thursday. Talk to you soon.